Hey, hello guys. Today is our 20th day of finding job series, and yeah, it's already 20 days has been passed. And let me tell you, how's my day? Today, let's start. So I wake up at 7 after I did little bit of exercise and get ready and sat on my desk. Today I learn about the throttle. We know yesterday we learned the about debounce concept. The throttle is pretty similar. Let me tell you how it's work and why we use it, how it's different from the debounce. Basically, we know how debounce is work. Debounce is a thing means we use the debounce when we want to wait for a little bit time, and after that wait happens, our function get called. That wait it's called debounce, means when user stop typing, or that event, if that event has been stopped, after that it takes some time, and after that it call the function. But throttle doesn't work like that. Throttle have a fixed time of interval. When that fixed time has been passed, it calls the function. Doesn't matter user has been stopped typing or etc etc. If that time has been passed, the throttle call the function. Let me give you real life example. uh, let's take an example. So uh, let's take an example which we use in the debounce. I suppose I tell my friend to uh, ping me after you get reach means after you reach at your home. Okay, so he ping me after every second, and I decide to reply after 5 second only. If he reply 1 2 3 message, and I replied at only after the 5 seconds of interval. So at this example, it's pretty similar to the how throttle work. Means if I want to if I type something in a search box. Okay, we know without debounce or without throttle, at every word or every letter, API call get hit, and re-rendering and lots of things are happened. But using throttle, what happened when I type R? Okay, so at first our function will get called, and that 5 millisecond time 500 millisecond timer gets started. After that I type U, I wait a little bit. After that I type T, and let's take an example. At a T, my 500 millisecond has been completed. So at T, it's again call the function. So yeah, that's how throttle is work. Basically it's take the functions which we need to call like a API or etc, and take a uh, delay, and we also able to means we able to create our throttle function. And yeah, it's very easy to create because we just pass the waiting is true or false. If true, then do this. If false, then do this. It is the similar. And in use effect, writing throttle, it's much more easier than the debounce, I think. Yeah, throttle and debounce have a different use cases. Basically we are using debounce like typing, searching, etc. And while for mouse hover or resizing mouse events, for that we are using throttle. So yeah, basically their work, we can say that pretty same, but have a different type of use case. Means debounce work only that event has been stopped, and after the some time that debounce will work or call the function. And in throttle, it's call the function after every interval. That if it's interval of 500 millisecond, that when 500 millisecond it's called the function, then again 500 millisecond happens, then again it's called the function. It works like that. Pretty simple. And after that I solve the DSA question around string, which is around medium, but I try to solve it. After that I complete the dashboard section of my project, and do little bit communication practice with ChatGPT. And uh, after that I applied some jobs over and there. I receive one call which is pretty basic, like a HR round. They told me that where you've been working, how much experience you have in React, that sort of thing. And they at last they told me, if it is go well, we will schedule the interview. So let's see what happened. I didn't get any update today, but yeah, let's see. That's it. Yeah, today is very basic. I learn new concept. I solve the problems. Learn means practice little bit of communication. Apply some jobs. The day has been passing. Already we are at the 20th day and not able to see any progress. But yeah, we have to do our daily task. I think that was the necessary part. Yeah, so that's it. Fine for today. Let's meet tomorrow.